Welcome, champions. Do you want to burn fat, build lean muscle, and get in the best shape of your life, all while having fun? Boxing workouts are your secret weapon. In this video, we're going to break down the ultimate boxing workout to help you knock out fat and crush your fitness goals. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these moves will bring your training to the next level. So, if you're ready to sweat, punch, and power your way to a leaner you, stick around. This is going to be one knockout ride. 1. Why boxing is the ultimate fat-burning workout. Boxing isn't just for fighters. It's for anyone looking to shed fat, build strength, and improve their overall fitness. B. Why boxing, you might ask? Let's break it down. When you throw a punch, your entire body engages. Boxing works your arms, core, legs, and shoulders. It's a full-body workout that activates multiple muscle groups at once, which means you're burning fat faster than you would with many other types of exercise. But that's not all. Boxing helps increase your heart rate and endurance, and it's one of the most efficient calorie-burning workouts out there. In fact, during a high-intensity boxing session, you could burn up to 800 calories per hour. That's right, 800. You can lose weight and get lean while having a blast. 2. Warm up, get your body ready to fight. Before we dive into the punches, it's crucial to warm up. Trust me, if you want to avoid injury and maximize fat burning, don't skip this step. A proper warm-up increases blood flow to your muscles, prepares your joints, and gets your heart rate up. Let's go through a quick boxing-inspired warm-up. Start with some jumping jacks. Do these for 30 seconds to get your heart pumping. Then, move to dynamic stretches, leg swings, arm circles, and torso twists. The goal here is to get your body loose and ready for those powerful punches. Remember, every champion knows the importance of warming up before the main event. Take this seriously, and your body will thank you later. 3. Jab cross combo, the fat-blasting power punch. Alright, now it's time to dive into the real deal. The first move in our knockout workout is the jab cross combo. If you've ever seen a boxing match, you know how powerful this combination is. It's the bread and butter of any boxer's attack. Here's how to do it. Start in your boxing stance with your feet shoulder width apart. Throw your left jab straight out from your shoulder. This is your lead punch. Without hesitation, follow up with a powerful right cross, your rear punch, by rotating your hips and pivoting your back foot for extra force. The key here is speed and power. Practice the fluid movement of the jab, then immediately deliver the cross right after. Imagine you're punching the air in front of you, like it's the target of all your frustrations. It should feel empowering, and with every jab-cross combo, you'll feel yourself getting stronger and leaner. Why it works? This combination fires up your cardiovascular system, targeting your arms, shoulders, and core, and it's a killer fat burner. Keep your intensity high, and you'll burn fat like never before. 4. The uppercut, a game changer for core strength. Did you know that the uppercut is one of the most effective punches for toning your abs? It's true. Boxing workouts like the uppercut don't just burn calories, they strengthen your core, which is essential for fat loss. Here's how to throw a proper uppercut. Start in your boxing stance. Drop your back knee slightly and bend your legs to get low. Rotate your hips and explode upward as you throw the punch with your backhand. Right hand if you're right-handed. Aim for the opponent's chin or target area and twist your body for maximum force. The uppercut is a fantastic fat-burning punch because it engages your core and lower body while also requiring explosive power from your arms and shoulders. The fast, dynamic movements involved in this punch are perfect for torching those extra calories. Pro tip: to really target your abs, keep your core engaged throughout the movement. This will not only help you punch with more power, but also engage your core muscles and burn fat more effectively. 5. The hook, power, speed, and burn. Let's talk about the hook, one of the most powerful punches in a boxer's arsenal. This move engages your entire body, but it's especially fantastic for your obliques and arms. Plus, when done right, the hook burns fat by utilizing both your upper and lower body. Here's how to execute the perfect hook. Start with your hands up in the guard position. Rotate your body as you bring your lead hand around in a circular motion, aiming for the target. Keep your elbow bent at a 90-degree angle as you throw the punch. Make sure you pivot on your back foot to generate extra power from your legs. You can throw hooks to both sides, left and right, and you should practice them in combination with your jab cross combo. Trust me, this punch will leave you feeling like you're packing a punch of fat-burning heat with every movement. Challenge. Try setting a timer for 30 seconds and do as many hooks as you can. Your arms will burn, but that's where the magic happens. This will engage your entire body and leave you drenched in sweat. 6. Speed and power drills. Punching to burn fat. Now that you have your basic punches down, it's time to take things up a notch. Boxing workouts aren't just about technique, they're also about speed and intensity. Speed drills help you get the most out of your fat-burning potential. Try alternating between jab cross combos and hooks at maximum speed for 30 seconds. Then rest for 15 seconds. Repeat for 5 sets. This circuit will have your heart racing, boosting your metabolism and torching fat fast. The more speed you bring to the table, the better your results will be. The key is intensity. Faster punches burn more calories. 7. The punching bag, your fat-blasting best friend. If you've ever hit a punching bag, you know how exhilarating it can feel. But it's not just fun, it's incredibly effective for fat loss. Punching bags allow you to really let loose and throw punches with maximum power. They provide resistance, which makes every punch more effective and fat-burning. Start by throwing your jab cross combos and uppercuts into the bag, focusing on your technique, then add in some hooks for extra burn. Aim for 2-minute rounds with 30 seconds of rest between each. If you're feeling extra ambitious, go for a 5-round knockout session. Bonus, try incorporating some footwork while hitting the bag. Move around, shuffle, and pivot as you throw your punches. This will add a cardio element to your workout and increase the number of calories you burn. 8. Cool down and stretch. Keep the fat burning. We've hit hard. Now it's time to cool down. But don't just stop cold. Your body needs time to transition from high intensity to rest mode. Start with some gentle stretches for your arms, legs, and back. Focus on deep breathing and flexibility to help your muscles recover. A good cool down will also help prevent soreness and stiffness, ensuring you're ready for your next workout. And there you have it, your knockout boxing workout. By incorporating these moves into your routine, you'll not only shed fat, but also build strength, endurance, and confidence. Boxing workouts are one of the most effective, fun, and fast ways to get in shape. So, what are you waiting for? Lace up those gloves, get moving, and start knocking out fat today. Remember, it's all about consistency and pushing yourself to new limits. Your transformation starts now. If you enjoyed this workout, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Let's build a community of fitness warriors together. Keep punching, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next workout. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more workouts and tips to help you crush your fitness goals. Until next time, stay strong and keep fighting.